Hi friends, welcome to Krishang Talks. How are you all doing friends? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we're going to discuss about a new chapter called Thermodynamics. So what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is nothing but the study of heat transfer from one body to another. The word thermo means heat and the meaning of dynamics is transfer. So thermodynamics means heat transfer and thermodynamics is the study of how heat transfers from one object to another. So before we start in this lesson, there are some basic terms that we all need to know. And the first term is a system. A system is an object in which heat transfer will take place. As a system, we mostly consider a vessel in which a piston is put on top of it. So that is a system. And the next one is a boundary. A boundary is something that separates the system from the surroundings. And the surroundings is nothing but the things which are not the system and the boundary are called as the surrounding. So the system and the surroundings are totally called as the universe. So system means a part of the universe which isn't the surroundings is a system, and the part of the universe that which isn't the system is the surroundings. These are the common terms you need to know. And there is also isolated system. What is isolated system? An isolated system is a system in which the transfer of heat and the transfer of mass won't take place. No energy transfer will take place. And there is a second type of system which is a closed system. In this closed system, transfer of mass doesn't take place but transfer of heat takes place. And an open system is a system in which transfer of mass takes place and transfer of energy also takes place. Now let's get into thermodynamics. So the first law of thermodynamics states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. So the energy that you give to a specific system will be used in the form of work or it will be given out by the same system. Now let's study this law in detail. So there are three terms in this law. The first one is the internal energy, the energy that the system already has, and Q is nothing but the energy given to the system and W is nothing but the work done. So from these units and from the first law of thermodynamics, we can say that U is equal to Q plus W. So can we really measure how much internal energy something has? No, we cannot measure the internal energy that a body has, but we can measure the change in the internal energy that a body has. So the equation can be also written as delta U is equal to Q plus W. So we also need to learn the IUPAC sign conventions. These are the conventions given by the IUPAC to the work done or the energy given to the system. So if you give some energy to the system will gain that much energy. So the energy given to the system is positive and the energy given out by the system is negative. And the work done by the system on the surroundings means that the system is losing some energy. So the work done by the system on the surroundings is negative and the work done by the surroundings on the system is positive. Now we know about the sign conventions.